Hello and welcome to L&L Diamond Painting's first unboxing. Second scene. Yeah, we messed up the first one, so we had to do it all over again. And seeing as I don't edit, I couldn't take anything out. Anyway.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I don't know anymore. But I'm Lee.
And I'm Lenore.
And so it begins.
And so it begins.
This is a Make Market kit. Of course, what I did with the box, I don't know.
It's over here.
Oh, can I have the box, please? I accidentally got rid of the box.
I did that.
Well, excuse me, she accidentally got rid of the box. So here's what the box looked like. It is a Make Market, which I think, I don't remember what store it comes from, but it is a, budget kit. This one was $14.99, $21.99 Canadian. Thank you. Sorry, it's a little warm in this room. $21.99 Canadian. That's the picture of it, right there. And that's the rest of the box. It is a 16-inch by 20-inch, or 40.6 times 50.8 centimeter. As you can no doubt read. Sorry if you can't.
That's right.
My camera sucks. Anyway, it gives you just little quick descriptions of the legend and the drills and whatnot. And there's the rest of the box. The inside the box you have, we have a thank you card from Tammy because she sent it to Lenore.
You want me to
Read it.
It says, "Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Enjoy. Timothy, a.k.a. Tammy."
Tammy, can I have that other sheet of paper, please? Thank you. Appreciate it. So anyway, on this second piece of paper, you have tips and tricks, instructions, that sort of thing. They have it in English and in French. So Melanie, you can read this. Yay! I can't. What can I tell you? Now, I'm not going to go through individual colors because, number one, Make Market has their own color system, I believe. At any rate, I can't make any sense of the numbers anyway. So I'm just going to give you a brief look at the different color palette. There is, I believe I said 36 colors in this particular painting. I have to look at canvas because I don't think it's on the box.
Oh, okay. That's all
Put that
right.
over there. So, anyway, I'm hoping this one works because the last time we did this, unfortunately, somehow or other, it started in slow motion at one point, and then ended in regular speed, but the slow motion was like, no, that wasn't the slow motion, that was my imitation.
Yeah.
There are quite a few different colors, some of which aren't that many. Like that green one right there. Right? No, not that one. That one. Sheesh. But I don't know if you can actually see the colors because as I'm looking through it on the telephone, they don't look that vibrant, but they are. I can vouch for that.
Oh, yes, they are. They're beautiful.
See, even Lenore says they're beautiful.
Oh, even when, what the heck is that supposed to mean?
Because my judgment of beautiful is much different than most normal human beings.
Oh, what?
So if you say they're beautiful, they must be.
Oh, please.
Holding them like this, I might actually be able to get them back in the bag. Who knows? Anyway, this is the last run of numbers, of
Colors.
colors, yes. That's the word I was looking for.
I knew it.
Yeah, 43, I'm sorry. 43 colors.
Wow.
And like I said, I am no good at telling you which ones are ABs or anything like that. I'm really bad at that. Unfortunately, I am sorry. But the canvas itself is right here. I'll probably give you a close-up view of it because this one isn't the greatest. But nonetheless, you got Santa Claus here, and yes, sorry for the sunlight. It's peering in. And the Christmas tree, a couple of buildings, and of course, at least 2 of the reindeer.
Of course.
Can't see them all because, I mean, they're too big.
Right.
But as you can see, Santa Claus is coming to town.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
And there he is. And in the spirit of a late
It's only February.
Christmas, or early Christmas,
It's only about a month and a half ahead
you know.
after.
One thing I did forget to mention is the plastic. You'll probably see that there's bubbles and whatnot in it. Mostly all you have to do to get rid of a lot of those is pull the sheet about halfway back, roughly. And then, of course, this isn't on a flat surface, but if it was, you just let it roll back, and there they go.
That's enough.
And then you continue to do the same thing on the other side. Pull it back halfway. And then you just let it casually stroll its way down the other side.
Nuts.
And voila,
Voila.
Viola.
Yeah.
But that is not the canvas. That is actually the plastic that's over it. They tend to move around in shipping. And this one's been shipped quite a few places, so. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first unboxing. We hope it was enjoyable. And I hope this is the only time I have to repeat it.
Yeah.
So, as the saying goes, don't just fake it till you make it, but believe it till you receive it. Have a wonderful week.
Bye-bye.